You eat na. You eat dinuguan. Hi, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Pop. Flying kiss. Pop. No. Ano yung pop niya? Stop yun. Stop. Bulol. Ang aking baby. Airplane. Masarap yung dinuguan anak. Namindog ang buhok.
With relevant skills, so they stay relevant in this ever-changing and fast-paced world.
Oh, drink na yung water.
Unfortunately, our platform actually is created to help starters or even those who want to change careers. So we offer
downtown Seattle.
Gandahan lang. Oh, you close.
Analytics and continuous improvement verticals. And then what we try to do is to democratize the access to these courses and to make it sustainable.
Oh, you eat na. Oh, subo na, subo.
Independent on the degree, they're not going for any degrees for them to take it.
Wow, that was so much fun flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe.
Ito pala yung ano ko. Wait lang. Saan ka ba pupunta? Man yan, kay tinupi ko yan. Lintik ka.
You're an airplane.
You sit down here. Ay, magkain na ano. Dali na, sit down na. Sit down.
Music stops. Don't move a muscle.
Hindi ka pa tapos kumain. Uy.